here in this video, we will see a problem related to stress and strain. And for that, here we have a question. A steel rod 800 mm long and 60 mm into 20 mm in cross section is subjected to an axial push of 89 kilonewton. If modulus of elasticity is 2.1 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square, calculate stress, strain and reduction in length of the rod. So this is the question. Whatever is given here, I will write that in the form of data first. In data, first I will write down steel rod 800 mm long, so length is given, and area is given, that is, it is 60 mm into 20 mm. So here this means that the steel rod is having a rectangular cross section. So 60 mm is the width and 20 mm is the depth. So this is the rectangle cross section of the bar which is given, and it is 800 mm long. It is subjected to an axial push. Now the load is of push type, whose value is 89 kilonewton. Push type of load, it can be taken as negative because it is a compressive, it will produce compressive stress, and mostly we take compressive stress as negative. So here the push kind of load, if it is considered, even though if it is considered negative, in the problems we just require this value, so I'll use this magnitude only. Negative sign indicates it is push kind of load. So here I'll use the value of load as 89 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Only the magnitude, neglecting the sign. Next, if modulus of elasticity is capital E, it is 2.1 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. Calculate stress, the first question. Strain and reduction in length of the rod, that is delta L. So this is the question which we have to solve. Let us try to get the solution for this problem. As the first question is stress, so I'll start with stress. Since stress is given by sigma is equal to P upon A, therefore sigma will be equal to P is given 89 into 10 raised to 3. Area, as we can see here, we have rectangle cross section, so area is 60 into 20. So therefore stress, it comes out to be 74.17 Newton per mm square. This is the first answer. Next, the second question is strain. Now, see, if we want to calculate strain, the formula of strain is change in length upon original length. But here if we see, this change in length we don't have. Change in length is another question. So strain cannot be calculated by using this formula. Then which formula to use to calculate strain? In this case, once we are unable to calculate strain from the given formula, we can calculate it by using another formula which is derived from Hooke's law. So I'll say that now from Hooke's law, Young's modulus capital E, it was equal to stress upon strain. I'll highlight this formula because we are using this from Hooke's law to calculate strain. So therefore, strain will be equal to stress upon Young's modulus. Stress is 74.17. Young's modulus capital E, that is 2.1 into 10 raised to 5. And from this I am getting strain. My answer is 3.53 into 10 raised to minus 4. This is the second answer. And the last question is to calculate deflection. So I'll say that after getting strain, since deflection, or in this problem, as I have read in the starting, here the load is push type of load. So the deflection would be reduction in the length of rod, as I have written here. So here deflection means it is reduction in the length of rod, and that reduction can be calculated again by using the concept of strain, since strain was equal to deflection upon original length. Deflection, this is what we have to calculate. Strain we know, so we can directly use it. That is, deflection is equal to strain multiplied by original length. So therefore deflection will be strain, it was 3.53 into 10 raised to minus 4. Length of the member is given as 800. So from this I'll get my answer of deflection, which comes out to be 0.82 0.2825 mm. So after finding all these answers, I can write it down that stress, we had calculated our answer number 1. It was 74.17 Newton per mm square. Strain 3.53 into 10 raised to minus 4. And deflection, that is the reduction in length, we have got it as delta L is equal to 0.2825 mm. Here into the bracket I'll write down it as reduction, that is the reduction in length. So here in this video we have seen how to calculate stress, strain and reduction in length of a rod.